Alright guys, today we're gonna try something that we've never tried before. Have you had this before? Mm-mm. I've never had it before. That's right, a Game Boy Color.
This is a quarantine meal. Cheese and bread. This. Look at these colors.
Smoky.
Evidence suggests it may provide health benefits as well. What a good time to take care of your health, guys.
Health benefits.
Also known as the Honolulu Queen, whose flowers only open at night. And it's like a,
Oh, you're busy. That was her ex-coin.
it's called a pitaya. Also,
This?
yeah.
Pitaya! I think it's actually great that you're friends with yours.
They're all pretty good people.
So what I should say is that's her friend calling, who just happens to be her ex. Spotify is the better streaming service. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say your love for pickles is?
But we're gonna eat a dragon fruit. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
So I thought I'd never had dragon fruit, but then I saw the picture of it online, like the inside, and I think I have.
I've definitely had it in things, like maybe a drink.
Oh, I've never had it by itself.
But I've never cut one open before and ate it by myself, I don't think, anyway.
Same.
So,
We're gonna try it.
It was all good at first, spending money, going shopping.
ooh.
That is so pretty.
What a pretty fruit.
Eating at the finest restaurants and different clubs. But she was right there with me, bottle popping, living the life.
I don't know any fruit that's not good for you.
Like seedless grapes are not necessarily good for you. They don't really have nutritional value. I don't want to hear that one. Well,
This is what the inside looks like.
It doesn't smell sweet.
Ooh, it kind of has the texture of a kiwi, like when you go into it. I thought it was gonna be hard. Like
It does
radish.
look, I guess it is in the kiwi family.
Yeah. Okay, well it looks better than it tastes. I just remember when we bit into the persimmon and it was like, whoa.
That's good. That's good.
This isn't whoa.
She does not understand my lifestyle, and that ain't right.
It doesn't really taste much like anything. I'm wondering if like we're missing something. Maybe it needs to be.
How are we missing something? This is the whole fruit.
It looks super cool.
Yeah.
I love the threading in the seeds. Like it just looks like a piece of art. And maybe it's just supposed to be a piece of art. I'm not enjoying it.
I'm not enjoying it. I feel like
I'm forcing myself to eat it.
I would put this in a fruit salad to balance out any very strong tastes.
What would you describe the taste like though? I want
It tastes like an unflavored kiwi. Like if I lost my sense of taste and
That's
had a
really
kiwi.
good. It looks like an unflavored kiwi and it tastes
like
an unflavored kiwi.
If water had like a taste that wasn't water, it would be this.
Yeah.
Work my head.
Oh!
Instead of arguing.
Can I have dinner with some dessert? Great.
If you have any advice on don't rush.
I don't like this lighting. That's so much better. Truly, why do people FaceTime people they don't speak to often? I like that. I don't know. It goes Snickers, M&M's, Twix.
We're gonna try these Pop-Tarts because I thought to myself, wow, pretzel and a Pop-Tart. Pretzel Pop-Tart could be pretty good.
Lost myself for a second. Whoops. Anyway.
You can put this pouch in the microwave. Nah, Kellogg's, y'all bugging.
That sounds unhealthy.
I was hoping.
Plastic in the microwave?
Yeah,
That
no.
doesn't sound...
Oh, wow. So is this?
If you don't like to eat M&Ms with peanuts, you remind me of someone who steps on their bed with their shoes.
Oh.
That's the kind of person you are. That's the kind of person you are. I'm about to be disappointed.
Me too.
I also don't like pretzels, so.
What?
Ooh. Does it have the saltiness of a pretzel?
It's a pop. It is exactly what it is. It is a Pop-Tart pretzel. It tastes just like a Pop-Tart,
Alright.
but it's got a salty top, which gives it a little pretzel-y taste.
I'm uniquely impressed. I don't like it. Like, I don't like how it tastes, but I like that that is what you are eating, is a Pop-Tart pretzel. And then, you know, life happened, and now we're in next year, and it's self-quarantine. Hello? Hi, yes, oh my gosh. Yeah, we all have this free time to be on the phone now. Wow. Oh, my baby's crying. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I had a baby yesterday, goodbye. Endorsement deal, me, you.